Hello everyone and welcome to break 4873 for the 2020-21 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, April 30th, 2021. It's 10:52 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:52 p.m. Central Time, and 7:52 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, Tupa 6 spots, Macwell 2, DG 2, Macwell 2, John 2, King Vlad 1, Guy 5, Sandy 3, Nim 1, Sport Card 2, Daryl 2, JoJo 1, and CRLE with 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Tupa on top, CRLE on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Tupa on top, Sandy on the bottom. So Tupa has the Ducks, Coyote, CRLE Bruins, DG Sabres, Sport Card Shop Flames, Guy Hurricanes, Blackhawks, JoJo Avalanche, Macwell Blue Jackets, Guy Stars, Sandy Red Wings, Tupa Oilers, Guy Panthers, DG Kings, Tupa Wild, Daryl Canadian, Sport Card Shop Predators, John Head Devils, CRLE with the Islanders, Daryl Rangers, Macwell Senators, Silent Sandy Flyers, John Head Penguins, Guy Blues, Macwell Sharks, Tupa Lightning, Nim Leafs, King Vlad with the Canucks, Tupa Golden Knights, Macwell Capitals, and last but not least, Sandy with Winnipeg. I'll seal it up. And we have a Mark Scheifele Black Diamond Rookie Gem Auto Winnipeg Jets. Very nice for Winnipeg, Mark Scheifele. Who has Winnipeg? The Winnipeg Jets going to Silent Sandy. Congrats on 4873. And the 2020-21 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay, and all of our breaks are there as well. And up next is 4875 for the 2021 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Box. And plenty of breaks after that. Thanks.